Welcome back to another video. As you guys can possibly tell by the title of the video, we may be purchasing a new car for the channel. I'm not gonna tell you guys anything yet. If you saw the community post, you might have an idea of what we're going to look at, or at least the brand anyways. But yeah, we're gonna go pick up Alex and we're gonna check out the car, and hopefully everything goes well. If it does, we'll probably have a new car on the channel within, not today because I have to put the deposit down, but maybe within a week. So exciting news, super excited to get it, and let's get into this little adventure. This is a car I don't think I've talked much about on the channel. I may have hinted it a few times, but this is a car I've never really talked about. And I don't know, I've always wanted to build something like this. It's definitely gonna be a little different, and sorry if I'm not looking too much into the camera, I'm focusing on the road. It's definitely gonna be a little different from what we're used to if I decide to go the route I go, but I'm excited for it nonetheless. And we're gonna go pick up Alex. Alex is gonna come along with us. We need his mechanical expertise to make sure we have a perfect vehicle. Who knows if this even happens, but we'll see. I'm just hyped. Another build, another project, and hopefully everything pans out. Look who is here. Look at this guy. Look at this guy with coffee. What a champ. Hey, look who it is. Oh, wait. Go for it. What's up, champ? This guy has not one coffee, not two coffee, but three. Oh, 3 coffees. You feeling good?
I'm feeling irie.
You feeling irie? Haven't really told him what we're getting or what we might get, but your thoughts on it?
Better than what you got now.
They don't even know about what's going on with that yet either.
Huh.
So this is just all they know so far. It's a new car of the channel, and it might be.
Yeah.
If everything pans out, and if it does pan out, I think we got some cool plans with it.
It's cool.
We got some cool plans, maybe. What is that? What, you're gonna roast me? Sorry, we all can't have Audis.
What?
Yeah. Okay. Let's get her going and have her coffee, eh?
Coffee, eh?
2 hours later.
Alright, so Alex and I have talked to the gentleman and we came up to an agreement. So the car is purchased. Technically, we put a deposit down on it. We'll be picking it up either tomorrow or the day after. The car needs a little bit of work, but the body's pretty solid all around, and that's the hardest thing with these cars now, are finding decent bodies. And there's minimal rust, but honestly, I need this car to last me a couple of years, 5 years at most, and maybe get something after that. I don't know. I just need to last me a little while. It's automatic. It's too hard to find manual. Maybe one day we'll do if I like it enough, we'll do a manual swap. Boost it, Alex. Do some B-series stuff, right? There's options.
Sure.
There's definitely options. Yo, an eBay kit, $1,000. Boost that shit. What? I guess I will see you guys either tomorrow when we're picking up the car. This will probably be a few days filmed in one, but yeah, I'm kind of excited for this, I'm not gonna lie.
The next day.
What is your order from Tim Hortons? What's your clutch order? Mine's oh, that's a little bouncy. Mine's a large iced coffee made with milk, no sugar, add espresso shot because we need that energy, and then I like a bacon farmer's wrap. That's my clutch order to go to. Or an everything bagel with garlic cream cheese and bacon because I'm fat. What's your order? Let me know. The day is done. That was quick for you guys. That was a little long for me, but we're super busy here at Garage 60 anyways. It is show season and car season, so you guys know how busy you guys get. Now imagine how busy we get. But aside from that, we're gonna go pick up Derek. Derek has the dealer place and we're gonna head down. Yeah, super excited for this car. Like I said, I couldn't sleep all night, and I don't know, it's just an old, but your boy gets happy for old shitty cars for some reason. How many of you guys are like me? vlog. I know you don't like being on camera. Alright, we won't torture you too much. Alright, we got what we needed to do. Let's make our way down now. And here it is, boys. The new daily. Check her out. It's a 2000 CRV. God damn. We're back in the Honda game. We are back. The car is honestly really clean. This is probably the worst out of all of it. That, we gotta fix this. A few little things to fix. She is auto magic, but maybe we'll swap in the future. But the interior is super clean for this year. Check it out, boys. I'm hyped to have this. You guys don't understand. Derek, what do you think? Not bad, right? Right? Mine too. I saw red. And I was like, you know what? I couldn't help myself. It's definitely worth the money. And like, it is pretty goddamn clean. Not too bad all around. The only thing that it did not come with was a picnic table, unfortunately. But a few things we gotta fix. Underneath, everything looks pretty good. From first inspection, here it is, ladies and gentlemen. The new, well, I guess it's a new build of the channel, something different. There's gonna be hauling parts, hauling merch. It is the dad mobile, but it's the practical mobile that we can do so much with. And the only thing I'm debating is if we should lift it, or put a leveling kit and some nice wheels, or we should slam her. Let me know. But I'm excited. We're back into a Honda. And I don't know if you guys could have guessed it was this. Maybe you didn't. You're keeping up with the Instagram, but I'm super hyped for it. I like old shit boxes. What can I say? God damn, boy, we got ourselves a CRV! So, how to drive? You had the first highway drive. Yeah, not bad. A few little things probably got fixed, but we came by Garage 16 to show them the mobile. I don't know what type of mobile this is, but it's a mobile that we're definitely gonna be messing with. Let's go see what these guys are doing. Not many cars come with the P magnet, but this one does.
P magnet.
Right?
Does it come with a table though?
Nope. You don't like it?
We're gonna do a couple things to it. We're gonna do a couple things to it.
Like what?
A lot of things.
What's a lot? What's wrong with it?
We gotta lift it up, put some muddies on there,
Yep.
put a big ass spoiler on there.
No, I think we need to see if I can get the JDM spoiler. But overall, she's pretty clean,
It's pretty clean.
right?
It looks sick, man.
She ain't bad,
She's pretty good.
right? I'll
Good
show
job
you.
on that thing.
I'll show you the worst side. This is the worst side.
I should have buff out.
Not
It'll
bad.
be okay.
That's it. Well, came by, show the boys. We'll probably have her technically on the road in a couple, maybe next week. But, goddamn, back. I could not stay out of the Honda scene.
The red reminds me of your CSX.
Right? The P-Mobile.
It looks better than my beater.
Bang! It's not too bad. That's not too bad. Looks better than your 9-gen. Woo! We're going in. The hoopty. First drive on the hoops. Oh, old car smell. You gotta love it. Look where this thing is. I was going this way. It's this way. What a trip. Oh, you really gotta turn this. Woo! Let's go. So we got a lot of windshield space, so we can definitely put mounts and whatnot here. But the car is super clean. It's getting a little dark. By the time we get home, we might be able to show you everything, but it might be just another episode. But I'm happy, boys. I am happy. I love piece of shit hoopties, but this is actually not too bad. So that's the best part. Look at this shit. Oh shit! I gotta learn this here. OD. So I think that's overdrive. Overdrive off. Overdrive on. Sheesh. Sheesh. All right, let's automatic. Let's go. Honestly, it's nice just to drive a CRV. Not gonna lie, it's just nice to drive a CRV because you don't have to worry about being low and whatnot. This is legit the basically complete opposite of the BRZ. The BRZ is gonna go a lot lower, but how many of you guys are happy that I'm back in a Honda? It might not be what you guys thought, but I am back. I couldn't stay away for so long. Is the lights on this thing? I don't think so. Let's see. There you go, lights are on. Let's go, boys. I think this is the biggest hype up for a goddamn 90 CRV that I think on anywhere on YouTube. And I hope you guys are, like, I know you guys are probably super excited or anything because the CRV is nothing crazy, but like, I don't know why. I'm happy. But I'll see you guys at home. What do you think?
Car, bro.
You want it? You don't appreciate it, eh? She doesn't see the vision. Derek sees the vision.
Not so much.
Yeah, it's my first B series, but it's getting dark, so I'm not gonna go through everything with you guys right now. Just show you guys quickly a few little things that we have to fix. That's why we got the price for what we got it, but we just discovered something new that we'll have to address. God damn. Good job, Lowpes. Good job, Alex and Lowpes. Should have brought Derek with me. But exterior-wise, the Carfax and everything were pretty clean. No big damage. Small claim, but that's about it. But definitely promising. No? Once this thing's lifted and stuff, you're definitely going to want to come. We'll go to the beach and stuff like that. And then you want to be part of it. If you're not part of it, if you're not part of it from the beginning, you can't be part of it at the end.
Fair enough.
Okay? But this is the new hoopty for now, the new dailies. We'll talk about the WRX in a different video. Don't talk shit, just come see it. What?
Chris, look at this scratch over here.
$50 off.
This scratch over here.
$50 off.
Look at all this rust over here.
That's not that bad, $50 off.
Hey, look at this.
Yeah, don't worry.
It's gonna break tomorrow.
$50 off.
There's no windshield wipe.
$50 off. Look at it, go inside.
No, it hasn't been DC Auto Spot yet.
But check it out, it's pretty clean.
I don't go inside nothing that has not been DC Auto Spot.
But check it interior, pretty clean. Plug.
Wow.
Pretty clean though for, it says 2000, it's pretty old. DC Auto Spa, he's not wearing the right sweater. He's the best around for detailing and all that fun stuff. And thank you for coming out and grabbing this. All right guys, that is it for today. I will go more in depth with the car in a different video. Hope you guys are excited. The WRX, we'll talk about it maybe in a different video. But for now, this is the new build on the channel. BRZ's here to stay. We're doing, main focus is BRZ, and then that's side projects and, you know, just giving you guys some variety of content. And it spices things up for me too, but I'm super excited for the build. Make sure you guys comment down below and let me know if you guys are excited. Also, thank you so much for watching. Peace out, like, comment, subscribe for the CRV. Do it once, do it right, and later.